Hey YouTube, just doing a little spray booth maintenance here. I won't say where we are, but it's a very high-end collision place. You can see this is what it's usually filled up with: Porsches, a couple of Aston Martins, Jaguars, a little Gallardo there, another yellow Gallardo in the back. But I was pleasantly surprised when I walked in here today to see that there's some older vehicles in here, including this one here, which is absolutely gorgeous Lamborghini Miura. Just perfect. Can't really see there. And we got this absolute beautiful Maserati 3500 GT Superleggera. Again, this is just absolutely perfect. And then we've got our Jaguar E-Type here. Another beautiful example. And then to top it all off, the car that I saw when I first walked in, which is my absolute favorite car of all time. A Ferrari Dino 246 GT. Decked out in Ferrari fly yellow, and this is just absolutely perfect. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. A few beautiful classic European sports cars. All right, have a good day.